Hey there, welcome to our product video for the Ninja Prestige Smart XL with Pro Cook System. 10-in-1 Air Fry Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can do it all, you're in the right place. This Ninja Prestige Smart XL oven is perfect for anyone who loves to cook but is always on the go. Whether you're a busy parent trying to whip up a quick dinner for the family or a cooking enthusiast looking to experiment with new recipes, this appliance is a game changer. Let's talk about some of the amazing benefits and features of this Ninja oven. First of all, it's a 10-in-1 appliance, which means you can air fry, air roast, broil, bake, and so much more all in one convenient device. With 1,800 watts of power, you can trust that this oven will deliver perfectly cooked meals every time. One of the standout features of the Ninja Prestige Smart XL is the Pro Cook thermometer. This thermometer ensures that your food is cooked to perfection, taking the guesswork out of cooking and giving you peace of mind that your meals will come out just the way you like them. Now, let's talk about some real-life use cases for this oven. Imagine being able to air fry crispy chicken wings, roast vegetables to perfection, bake a delicious cake, or broil a juicy steak all in one appliance. The possibilities are endless with the Ninja Prestige Smart XL. If you're wondering how to use this oven, don't worry, it's simple and intuitive. Just select your cooking function, set the temperature and time, and let the oven do the rest. The digital interface makes it easy to monitor your cooking progress, and the preset functions take the guesswork out of cooking your favorite dishes. When comparing the Ninja Prestige Smart XL to other countertop ovens on the market, it truly stands out for its versatility and ease of use. With 10 different cooking functions, a Pro Cook thermometer, and 1,800 watts of power, this oven is a must-have for any kitchen. Here are some tips for getting the most out of your Ninja Prestige Smart XL oven. Make sure to preheat the oven before cooking for the best results, and don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking functions and recipes. The more you use this oven, the more you'll love it. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one kitchen appliance that will save you time and effort, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL with Pro Cook System is the perfect choice. Upgrade your cooking game today and experience the convenience and delicious results this oven has to offer. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to order your Ninja Prestige Smart XL oven today and revolutionize the way you cook. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching.